everybody. So my name is Andrea, and I'm pleased to introduce Sam. She's a very smart, very kind girl, and I was very happy to work with her because she can actually speak Spanish, so she can understand me whenever I was tired or at any time. And the only thing I have to say is buena suerte. Oh, gracias, thank you.
So my mentor, as you probably already guessed, my mentor was Andrea. She is very cool because she really likes helping others and teaching others Python, which is the code we actually used. Um, and she has a PhD in computer science, so that's pretty cool. So for my magic project, me and Andrea decided we should learn the fundamentals of Python, which we did, and we wanted to make a personalized snake game, which we didn't have really any time for, so I just made interactive code with her. So my experience with my mentor was really fun, and because she always helps me with anything and that I need. Whenever I was stuck on something, she usually helps me, and we figure out how to do it in the end. So that's pretty good. So the project was to, like I said, was to learn the fundamentals of Python, and our main resource to learn Python was Code Academy. My demo is an interactive code that I made using Python. And for it, I will need someone from the audience, but we're not going to do that now. Okay, so what my code does is it's going to ask the person some questions, like what your name is, what your least preferred color is, which is an unusual question. Most people ask what your favorite color is. And what are your hobbies? So, though it didn't take a long time, it was really hard to do at first. So yeah.